Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh, don't she look gorgeous? Yes, honey, I did that. But anyway, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is grab a spoolie brush and brush down her eyebrows. After you're done brushing down your eyebrows, you want to go ahead and pick up the excess oils from your skin with a makeup wipe. After your skin is nice and clean, you want to go ahead and fill in your eyebrows and clean up your eyebrows with the concealer. The concealer I am using today is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And then you want to go ahead and grab a buffing brush and just buff out the concealer. Next, I went ahead and went in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan and applied it to her eyelid so that way it can be prepared for her eyeshadow. With the same blending brush, you want to go ahead and blend out the concealer on top of her eyelid. Next, I went in with my palette Chasing Rainbows by ColourPop and I used the colors Realness, Filling It, and Wish List on her eyelid. The first color we're going to use is Realness, and you just want to go ahead and pack that onto her crease. Now that the eyeshadow is all blended how I like it, we're going to go ahead and begin to cut that crease. A small tip before you begin to cut your crease, you want to go ahead and grab your concealer and apply it to the center of your eyelid. Have your client look up so you can see exactly where to stop your cut crease. And with this part, you want to take your time. You want to take your time because you don't want to mess up and start over and wipe off all of the eyeshadow, all of your hard work. So yeah, just take your time the first time and it's going to come out perfect. Okay, now we are done cutting our crease, so we're going to go ahead with another flat brush and just pick up the extra concealer from her eyelid. After I did that, I went in with my color Eclipse, which is a shimmer color, and I applied that to her cut crease. Alright, so you want to go ahead and grab your base color. So I went in with all three base colors combined and I just applied it on top of the shimmer. So that way the cut crease and her base colors can blend in together smoothly. Now I'm going to go in with a black liquid eyeliner to top off her eyeshadow. I just wanted to add this part. It is totally okay if you are not a pro with adding liquid eyeliner. Trust me, I am not either. So one tip that I can share with you guys with applying your liquid eyeliner is to always clean it up with some concealer so that way it can be sharp. Next, I went in with my Milk of Magnesia primer. Yes, Milk of Magnesia, the laxative. It works wonders, ladies. Try it. It keeps your face matte all night, especially if you have oily skin. Alright, now time for the foundation. Okay, so we went in with our Sephora foundation in the color Fonce Deep. And when applying foundation, you want to go ahead and evenly put the same amount of foundation that you're putting on your left side. You want to go ahead and apply the same amount to your right side. So what I tend to do, I put 3 stripes to the left, 3 stripes to the right, 2 stripes on her forehead, a couple stripes on her nose, under her chin, and above her lip. And then you want to go ahead and just buff that out with your Real Techniques brush. After that, you want to get a beauty blender and pick up the extra concealer so that way we can have a nice, full, seamless finish. Okay, and then I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and highlighted her under eyes because we are about to contour, honey. Yes, she is about to be snatched. So yeah, I added some highlight under her eyes, on her forehead, her nose, under her chin. Then you want to go ahead and set that with some setting spray so that way we can have that nice dewy glow. With the same patting motion, you want to go ahead and get a small blending brush and pat that concealer down. Make sure you get all of those crevices, those creases under her nose. and you just want to go ahead and blend until you cannot blend anymore. This next part is not necessary, but I tend to do it so that way my clients can have a more full coverage look, and I also do it on myself. So I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape Tan Concealer, and I just added that under her eyes and did the same exact patting motion to blend it out. Right now we are going in with our Morphe Cream Contour Palette, and we're just going to go ahead and contour her cheeks, her forehead, and under her chin. And also with a smaller brush, you want to go ahead and contour that nose. Alright, so every time you use a cream contour, you want to go ahead and top it off with a powder base. So for this look, I went in with my black Radiance powder. Last, you want to go ahead and carve out her cheeks so that way it can look sharp. And then you want to go ahead and add some lip liner, highlighter, and blush. And you want to definitely top it off with some gloss. Thank you so much for all of your support. You guys don't understand how much I appreciate each and every last one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!